Good morning everyone. My name is Santosh Vasudevan and I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am going to present you my project report and my project model. My other batchmates are Ganesh I and Vigneshwaran K. My project title is A Smart Stick with GPS Alert System for Blind. Our batch number is 22. First, as per WHO report of 2019, at least 2.2 billion people in the whole world are near or farsightedness who are partially or fully blind. So they have a lot of difficulties to face. As per human standards, around 80% of the information from the environment are taken from our side. So facing a difficulty in sight is a very problematic. So our project, we have planned and developed a system which will help the blind people to travel around the cities or in a remote areas comfortably and independently. Now we will see the project model.
My name is Ganesh and this is our project model, and I am going to explain about the project hardware and components. This is the soil moisture sensor, and it is used to detect the water in the ground. We have used 3 ultrasonic sensor which is placed in a different direction so that we can get the output exactly. The first sensor is for used to detect the potholes, and it is in a range of about greater than 5 centimeters, so it will easily detect the potholes. And the sensor 2 is for obstacle in near, so that, and it is a range of about 15 to 20 centimeters. And the sensor 3 is for obstacle in front, and the range of about 60 to 70 centimeters, and all these measurements can be changed according to the person's request, and we can change it in the coding. And this is the main module of our project, and this is the GPS and the GSM module where it will sense the person's location. And the next is we have used HC05 Bluetooth module, which can be paired with any mobile phones, and this will sense the audio signals to the mobile phones. And this is the main microcontroller of our project, and we have used is an Arduino Nano, and we have used an soil moisture sensor module, which you have seen below. And this is the LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. It will sense the signal that the person is in a dark area or in a light place. And this is a trigger button. If we trigger this button, and immediately an SMS will be sent to the caretakers. And this is our battery source, and we have used here is a 4 lithium ion batteries. It will give the certain power to the project.
I am K. Vigneshwaran. I am going to explain working process of my project. First, LDR. It helps to detection the brighter area or darker area. When we shows the light,
You are in bright area.
we can hear the voice
You are
command.
in dark area.
When the absence of the light, we can hear the command darker area. There are 2 ultrasonic sensors which used to detect the obstacle. The first one which used to detect the front obstacles, and second one it's ultrasonics which used to detect the near obstacles. I am going to show the demonstration.
Obstacle in front. Obstacle near.
The third ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the pothole in the ground.
Pothole detected.
When there is a hole in the ground, we can hear the voice command. There is another sensor or soil moisture sensor. It's used to detect the water in the ground. There is an example.
Water detected.
The blind person who missed his stick, using voice command, he can able to find his stick. Where is my stick?
Obstacle near.
Got it.
This trigger button is used to help the blind person if he is in a danger situation or he is lost somewhere. When we press this trigger button, when we trigger the switch, the GSM system and the GPS system reads the trigger and sends the exact location of the blind person. Now we can here notice that when we press the trigger button, the location has been sent to two numbers. It can be family member or a caretaker's number. We can see that the exact location of the Google map has been sent to the person's number as an alert message. We can notice here that the alert message has been sent directly to the caretaker or the friend's number as soon as we press the trigger. I am going to show the program of our project, and we will show how the serial monitor readings are going to be for the project model. Here we can see that there are three distance readings of the project model. The first distance shows about the pothole detection. The second distance shows about the near time distance of the obstacle, and the third distance shows about the obstacle which is present in the front. The next is LDR. The LDR reading constantly shows about the light intensity which is being projected near the stick. Thus, we have showcased you our project model and the working mechanism of our model. Since this project has a good scope for future, we think that with more modifications, this can be beneficial for the blind person and even for other disabled person also. Thank you.